Have you ever thought about actually having conversion rates that go up? A lot of us would. And lucky for you, at Testimonial, we actually have a feature that can bring up your conversion rates significantly. How? Well, first and foremost, as you can see, I'm on video here. And video is key in order to get nice testimonials. But in the world we live in, it's really hard for someone to have a nice professional looking testimonial. There's maybe something in the background of the video that they send you. And you know what? We actually took out all of that work and made it really easy to give you a good testimonial. If you go to your specific page, we're gonna go to my wall of love here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my request testimonial page right here, and I'm gonna click on record a video. Now, as you can see, what's up? This is me, and this is me with a blurred background. As you can see, now everything in the background's blurred. And not only that, but if I wanted to, I could give them an adjustment to the level of blurring, right? Medium, light, heavy. Or even more so, I could actually add a background image, similar to what you'd get in a Zoom or Google Meet as well. Now, I actually would like if I could give them a specific one. If I go to my desktop backgrounds, I actually have a nice one that's for my company's look. So look at this. So this could be nice for my company. Obviously I am on recording right now, so it's got this weird blueness to it. But at the end of the day, if I were to turn off the lights, you can see this will look a little bit better or different. Or obviously you can just utilize the other backgrounds that come in with it. So I'm gonna show you what a recording would look like if I did this. So for example, we're gonna press record. And I'm gonna look at the camera and say, hey, what's up? It's me, Dimitri. I'm making a testimonial. Oh my God, look at all this stuff in the background. It's blurred, no worries about it. It looks fine. And obviously if I had the background, it'd be completely gone. So I feel like this is a good representation of why you'd wanna use this. Or if I had sensitive data on that whiteboard, which I don't, but I could, it would be useful. And then the person could submit their name and their email, and it would look something like this. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for more professional embeds on your website, for video testimonials, they would be a little bit better than what you see here. Right here, I have a couple different video testimonials, but imagine those with the blurred background, just a little bit better overall. So this is a nice improvement if you're looking to make the style of your video testimonials more professional and consistent. If you're interested in this product, make sure to go to Testimonial.to and try it out today. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.